What up, everybody? Happy Monday. So I'll get right into it. I wanted to explain a quick biohack that I've been trying to incorporate and to share with anyone that, wants to try different things when it comes to movement therapy or fitness. And that idea is cross-sectional movement. So really quickly on biohacking, essentially it's understanding the natural processes that occur in the brain, in the body, and doing things, movements that associate or go with that as opposed to against it, which is what we've done for so long. But essentially the idea is, pretty sure it's common knowledge that we have two hemispheres of the brain. You have the left brain and the right brain. Now both work in conjunction. However, the left brain is more so logical, quantitative, dominant, while the right brain, being more creative, more emotional, has that component, and that's where the function lies. However, there's a corpus callosum in the middle, which kind of mediates both activities. Now the thing is, what some people may not know is that the left side of your brain actually controls the right side of your body, and vice versa, right? Now here's the interesting thing, and this is what I learned from Dr. Bruce Lipton, if you've heard of his work. But essentially when we cross that middle line, so if I'm doing a shoulder raise, for example, as opposed to just doing straight up, if I go ahead and I cross that line, well, in that moment, I'm now using both sides of my brain in conjunction for the movement. So I'm activating new neural pathways and basically using more of my brain and adding in a bit more of that mental component to working out. So most people, when they think of a mental component, they think of focus or concentration. And this is just a little bit more, taking that extra step. So I invite you guys to try it out. Essentially any exercise, any movement that is repetitive and that crosses that middle line is going to use more of your brain. And this also is a really great way to relieve stress. So essentially you cross your hands, or basically just, have your hands or your feet cross that middle line, and then, flexing your fingers, wiggling your toes, in that position, basically because you're using more of your brain, will help calm down, in conjunction with, full, nice yogic calming breaths. It's been proven to really reduce stress and, feelings of anxiety. So I invite you guys to try that one out. I just wanted to share that because I've been trying to incorporate it, and, I'm all about getting the most out of the human experience. So I figured that would be something to share. Thanks for checking in. As always, I love you guys. In terms of the hat, this is Nourish Meal Prep. Make sure to check them out. And I got this sweet Rivals gear from my friend Boy. Check him out too. I'm always posting them and stuff. Great people. But thank you guys for checking in. Let's get this growth. Let's go.